Hi, my name is Ella King, owner of Zoe Gray Salon, and I want to tell you some tips and tricks that will hopefully help you with your product at home and your hairstyling journey. Anything we can do to increase your experience, to help you love your product, love your purchases here, please let us know. We really do want to know. And our mission, our goal really is to give you more confidence, to make you feel more beautiful in who you truly are. And all these little things are going to help to achieve that. Now, when you're applying your product at home, in the order in which you should apply it is first always your conditioning. You want that closest to your hair. Think of it that way. Your conditioning is going to give your hair a hug, right? So you're always going to apply that first. And it's always key to have a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant as well. Second, you're going to put your structural products. These are the products that are going to give you hold. They're the products that are going to help to hold the style that you put in them, right? They're going to give your hair structure. Third are your finishing products. These are going to be sometimes when your hair is wet, sometimes when your hair is dry. Next are going to be any kind of silicone-based or any kind of shine products. If you think about it, your shine product should work as a shield. You want shine on the outside of your hair strand, right? So we're going to have conditioning, we're going to have the structural products, anything with hold to it, and then we're going to have any shine products put on last before we blow dry.